Hey everybody!
Hello, I'm Kim.
And I'm Erin, and we are K&E RVTV. And today we're going to show you what we've been working on the past couple weeks here, staying at our parents' house. We did finish up our work camping in Central Florida. So we've been here on the West Coast in Punta Gorda doing a little, giving Lucy a little facelift. She's needed it, and we kind of want to show you what we did. Thanks to Dad, he did an amazing job. He is our hero.
For sure.
Yeah.
And we're also going to discuss our travel plans because we are leaving here tomorrow. So we'll tell you about where we're headed for the summer. We're excited. I am a little under the weather. I'm finding a cold, so forgive my voice. I'm feeling a little better today. I'm hoping to feel better tomorrow because we are getting on the road. But let's go take a look inside if you can hear Cody. He's barking, but we're here parked in the driveway. Luckily, Lucy fits in parents' driveway, so it's worked out. So let's give you a tour. All right, let's go.
We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us. So luckily, Lucy does fit perfectly here in my dad's driveway, and we're only allowed to keep her here for a week. So we had a week to work on her. She was in the shop for a week before that, and she got an oil change and her tires rotated and balanced and everything. You're a little dark. But first things first, my dad fixed our awning.
Yes, we haven't used it since last time we were in Tennessee. This arm, a little attachment there broke, and we couldn't figure out what the piece was called. That took a lot of time to figure out what that piece was. Finally found that piece, and then we made it here so Dad could fix it, because he can fix anything.
He can
hear
fix
Cody
anything.
inside.
Yes.
He's like, what are you doing? Alright, so to start off, we redid our floors. Well, as I say we, Daddy redid the floor. We had considered doing it for a while, and it started the subfloor started giving quite a bit, and so we were kind of like, well, you know, we're here, Dad, do you think you could do this in this amount of time? And he's like, of course I can.
He's like, I can do anything.
And thank God we did, because we found a really bad part under the couch that we didn't realize was as bad as it was. We had leaking problem before coming in through our furnace, so we closed that off, but apparently the water had done a lot of damage that we didn't see. So once we started pulling up the carpet, we found, thank God we decided to do the floor. Otherwise, I'm pretty sure I would have fallen through the couch at some point. So that's what we did the floor. Okay, Cody, hi.
Oh, hi Cody.
Hi, handsome.
Hi, my baby. Say hi to everybody.
Yeah.
You like your new floor?
Yeah.
Alright, so my dad completely ripped out our carpet and put in this beautiful floor. This was all linoleum here in the kitchen, and then we had carpet all here. So we ripped out our old jackknife sofa, got a whole brand new sofa, and underneath our old sofa was a big box that fit a utility drawer that I could access from the outside. So we ripped that whole box out. I lost that whole drawer, but it gives us, we're able to put anything we want here now. So we got this beautiful new futon that folds down.
Yep, one side can fold down, the other side can stay up.
You want to show them?
You can have it all the way flat if you want. We kind of had Cody in mind with this. It's a little lower, so it's easier for him to get on.
Yeah, it's definitely lower, easier for him to jump on in his old age.
I can figure out how to do it.
Yeah. So each side folds down separately.
One side.
Cody can lay down, and Erin can still be sitting up.
Or both sides.
Or both sides fold down.
Still have an extra little sleeping area, which sometimes is nice for me, because my bed is up here. I use this ladder to get up there, and some days I don't feel good, or you know,
for whatever reason.
Whatever reason, I like that I still have an option to kind of lounge here. And too, when we have guests, we often have friends come and visit. And this is 5 foot by 5 inches.
This is Erin's size.
So it fits me perfect, so I often give up my bed to taller people who come and visit.
Yeah.
But so it's really great. Now we have storage underneath too.
We have storage underneath. We have like our soda and water. And we also got this new carpet. Isn't this so beautiful?
It's so cute. I love it.
I love this rug. Doesn't match the best with my chair cover that we already had, but we'll probably get a new one of those.
We're gonna have to get a new one of those, just throwing off the vibe.
Yeah.
Not that we really.
We got new curtains as well. So we love it.
Fresh. And now it doesn't smell like stinky dog in here.
Yeah.
For now anyway.
Everything in this place. Cody said, don't talk about me. Every cabinet, every wall is wiped and clean. my whole front is all wiped and clean from starting our drive tomorrow. And
so we're in the process of kind of packing up how we do when we travel.
Yeah.
Because we're going to be on the road for quite a bit.
Yeah.
So this isn't always going to be how it's set up. And then we set up the front seat for Cody to be comfortable driving with Kim. Yeah. So,
yeah.
We're excited.
I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it.
All the way back to
it goes all the way to my bedroom back there.
We're fresh.
Fresh, baby, fresh.
Even Dad put in a lovely little trim around all the edges.
Yeah, the trim goes around all the edges, all the way around. So
it looks nice and fresh. And
we still need some touch-up paint in here on the cabinets and stuff like that.
We had some paint, and that was something we were gonna do while we were here as well. But when Kim went to open them, because they're like
almost 4 years old.
Yeah, the paint was no longer usable. So that's something we will do. Probably when we get to our next location, we're gonna have a few months. So maybe we'll do some touch-up paint then. But I'm so excited about the floor. It feels great. It just looks different. Like it's so funny how just changing the floor changes the whole feel.
And Aaron, the old jackknife sofa was very, very uncomfortable for Aaron to sit on. It was super old. It's a 25-year-old couch. Yeah. So it's finally out of here.
The holes were sticking through because the cushion basically was worn out. So I would always try different mattress toppers and things to make it more comfortable. It was never really comfortable. So I'm so excited. I have a non-lopsided, non-lumpy, comfy cushion couch. Funny.
Yeah, we washed all of our sheets and blankets and everything is clean and ready to go.
We're very excited. It's been a lot of work, but
yes, we're exhausted.
And Dad, again, you're the best.
Thank you, Father. You are amazing. We love you so much.
We'll make it up to you on Father's Day.
Oh, yeah, you say thank you to Grandpa?
Yeah. Say thank you, Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandpa.
You like a couch?
Oh, yes, you do.
Okay.
Okay. We also got this brand new door lock as well. This one has a combination on it to get in, so it's super easy for us. You know, we don't even have to have the key. Just punch in the numbers, or there's actually a key fob that comes with it too. Oh, I want to fill in all of this. I also replaced like some of these latches. Sorry, Lucy didn't get a wash yet. But a lot of these latches had dry rotted, so I replaced a lot of those. So we are definitely ready to hit the road.
All right, y'all, so I'm sure you are curious about where we are headed for the summer. We're actually going back to New Hampshire. We're headed back to the campground we were at last summer. We really enjoyed it in New England. We enjoyed the campground. All the campers there were amazing. Our managers, everybody we worked with was awesome, and they asked us to come back. And we thought about it for a little while. We know we want to see and do new things, but we did really enjoy it up there, and there's so much more that we can explore in New England. So we're really excited. That's why we got Lucy to the doctor to make sure she is in good shape and ready to roll. They said she's awesome.
Hopefully.
So yeah, you know.
Yeah, so we did want to go other places, and we were looking to go other places. We actually found a place too, and then our boss contacted us and gave us an offer we couldn't refuse. Not that we're going to talk about it, but they gave us an offer we couldn't refuse, so we kind of were like, we're doing it. Yeah, because we're weighing on it, kept going back and forth, because we were looking for, you know, we've been looking basically since we got our last job that we just had. We were already looking to find out, you know, what we're going to do for the summer, and we knew we definitely wanted to kind of go north to escape the heat. We've turned into snowbirds now, apparently. But we did really enjoy it up there last summer. We loved it, and we were like, you know, like, why are we were kind of putting this, like, we want to go new places, we want to see new things, like, we were putting this kind of like timestamp or location stamp on ourselves. I'm like, why? We loved it up there. Why not go back? There's so much more we can do. Love the food. We got Aaron liking seafood, which is a plus for me. But yeah, we loved everything about it up there. So yeah, we're going back, and there's still so much for us to see and explore in like a 2-hour radius from where we are. Our last job that we just worked in Central Florida, there was nothing around us, so it was not the best location for us to film and do stuff and explore and stuff like that. So where we are in New Hampshire, there's so much in a short while away that we can do. Yeah, and there was a lot that we didn't get to do that we wanted to do when we were up there. So we will be there from May to October. Yep. So we're really excited, and if you have any recommendations of things to do kind of in the New England area, please let us know, because we're definitely going to be filming more and doing a lot more. Our schedule there also too is
it's much easier for us to kind of work around and still be able to film and edit, which was not the experience that we just had working in Florida. We were like, you know, we didn't get to kind of manipulate our schedule at all. We were working 40 hours. Like it was a lot. And plus, again, there wasn't a lot around for us to really go explore and do anyway. So up there's still a ton that we can do. So we're really excited. Please pray for us for safe travels because we're gonna take a few weeks to get up there. We're not exactly sure what we're gonna do right now. We only have reservations. We're gonna head to Devil's Den tomorrow, which is a natural spring here in Florida. So that's gonna be really cool. We're gonna do some snorkeling. We're staying at their campground. They do have a campground there, so we're gonna be there 2 nights. So yeah, we're pretty excited about that. I'm hoping I feel better for the snorkeling. I don't want my ears to explode or anything. I kind of think I have like a sinus thing going on. It's funny, every time we come to the West Coast, I always get sick. I don't know what it is.
No, I think it's just stress.
Maybe that too.
When you get under stress, your immune system isn't as good.
Yeah, and we've been go. We've had a lot going on. But we're very excited, and we hope you guys are excited for us and excited for some content. We will be trying to film and do things on the way. I don't know what kind of Wi-Fi or, you know, situation we're gonna have. We are gonna use Harvest Host to get up once we start getting up north. But we will try to get videos out for you if that's possible. If not, make sure you're following us on our socials, so I'll try to post some things there to kind of let you know where we are and what we're doing. But yeah, we're super stoked.
Are you ready for a sunset boat cruise?
Yes.
Cody, you ready? Are you ready to go on the boat? We go see some dolphins, maybe?
We just had our last dinner with the parents.
Yes.
And now we're gonna take a little sunset cruise. Cody loves being on the boat. It's his favorite thing.
There's Daisy over there. She loves boat rides too.
Yep.
So hopefully we have a nice sunset.
It feels nice out already. So. Are you a happy boy, Code?
Cody loves the boat.
He loves being on the water. Daisy too. She's so pretty. You happy girl, Daisy? Yeah. You relaxing over there, ma'am? There's our captain.
We can't see the sun's in our face.
It's quite bright. I just blinded everyone. Blinded by the light. It's actually quite beautiful. It feels really nice out right now. We gonna see any dolphins, Code? You gonna find them? Okay, keep a lookout.
Our last beautiful sunset here in Punta Gorda.
This is the life, man.
Rough life we got going on here, right? Do you all feel bad for us? But it's a beautiful, beautiful sunset. We haven't seen any dolphins though. Yeah. Cody, you didn't find us the dolphins. Probably good because they make him too excited.
He gets wild.
And then he's sore for 3 days.
Yeah, we got a long travel day tomorrow. So.
Alright y'all, and hope you enjoyed the sunset.
So we just got back from our little sunset cruise. Cody had a wonderful time. It was really nice out. Sunset's always beautiful.
The one time I bring the camera, there was no dolphins.
Yeah, but we thought about it and we're kind of happy because Cody goes like wild when he sees the dolphins. He overdoes himself, and we have a kind of a long car ride tomorrow. So I'd rather him not be sore, but he just enjoys being on the boat either way.
Thank you to my parents for letting us stay here for 2 weeks. That was amazing. And a special thank you to my father again for doing all the repairs on our RV. We would have paid thousands of dollars for somebody else to do that for.
We gotta get him a massage or something. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed this video and hanging out with us. If you have not subscribed, make sure you do that. Hit your notification bell, turn it on so you will be notified about our new videos coming out. And again, we're excited for our road trip. And we hope you're excited to join us. And we will see you in the next episode.
Bye y'all.